Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to enable or disable power saving mode on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, to enable this mode, click on this side button on your watch to open the control panel, and right here you'd be able to see your actual battery percentage. If we click on it, we can see this button low power mode. Also, if we click on it right here, you'd be suggest two options. Just simply turn on, or if we click on the second button, we can see we can turn it on for 1, 2 or 3 days. And also the description of this mode, which limits notifications, mobile service and Wi-Fi. Certain health and safety features will be limited or turned off. So to enable this function, simply click on this yellow button. And now the power saving mode is turned on. To disable this function, simply click on the battery percentage and click on this yellow button. And it will immediately turn off. And that's it! Now you know how to enable or disable power saving mode on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.